Solving equations with variables on both sides is not very difficult. You want to try to put all your variables on one side, and most of the time you're going to want to try to put it on the x, unless it's just really easy to put it on the right side. And that's just going to help you with when we deal with inequalities. You want your variable, when it's an inequality, to be on the left-hand side. So let's move our variables to the left. So I need to move the 8x to the left side. And you want to put it right underneath its like term, the 2x. So since I'm moving all the variables to the left, whatever else I need to put on the right side, and that's this minus 5. So to put them on the right side, I do inverse operations. I need to add 5 to both sides. Now we just simplify. 2 minus 8 is negative 6, so this is going to be negative 6x. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel. 8 minus 8 cancel, and 1 plus 5 is 6. Finally, to get x by itself, I need to unmultiply by negative 6, so that means divide by negative 6. 6 divided by negative 6 is negative 1. Alright, we're going to do the same thing over here. Again, we're just moving the x's to the left side, moving our constants to the other side, and then negative 6 and 4 is negative 2. 1 and 11 makes 12. Isolate the x by dividing by negative 2, and you get negative 6. Alright, bottom left. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Move the x's to the left side, so minus x, minus x. Move the constants to the other side, so we're going to add 3. Now, when we go to combine our x's here, you'll notice they cancel. Negative 3 plus 3 cancels, so there's nothing on the left side. X minus x cancels. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is a mathematical statement that says 0 is equal to 9. And since that's nonsensical, 0 cannot be equal to 9, there's actually no solution to this equation. There's nothing we can plug in for x to make these equal to one another. All right, final one. Let's come over here on the right, and we have certain terms that can be combined on the same side first. So you're going to want to do that. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2 is like 6, and this is 8. So this is going to be 8 plus 2x. And you'll notice that these are actually going to be equivalent to one another. They're the same thing. They're just in a different order. And so if you did go to combine like terms, you'd actually cancel both sides because they're equal to one another. One doesn't hold an advantage to the other. And so when 0 is equal to 0, or when one side is equal to the other, all solutions for x work. And if anything works, that means there's an infinite number of solutions to this problem.